test with the launch vehicle, checking out the various batteries in the 3 stages and instrument unit of the Saturn V. We remain on external power.
We've always defined ourselves by the ability to overcome the impossible. And we count these moments when we dared to aim higher, to break barriers, to reach for the stars, to make the unknown known.
I don't know what space exploration will uncover, but I don't think it'll be exploration just for the sake of exploration. I think it'll be more the fact that it allows us to see things that maybe we should have seen a long time ago.
After more than half a century, we're heading back to the moon.
We have a generation that is ready, a generation with that technology, a generation with the education.
The Artemis II crew travels about 4,000 miles beyond the moon, the first humans to lay eyes on the far side in over 50 years.
Artemis represents the future in space. It is our next big step.
Artemis will stand on the shoulders of Apollo. They're going to have the eyes of the world on them when they start down this trail.
Decade is out of landing a man on the moon and returning him safely to the Earth.
It's a time of exhilaration, reflection, hope, fulfillment.
In terms of advancement of state-of-the-art in science and technology, it was probably the most productive 10 years in the history of man.
We did it for all the right reasons. We did come in peace for all mankind.
The Apollo program was a test that you can do what you set out to do. All it took was turning to it and making it happen.
T-minus 15 seconds. Guidance is internal.
We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other thing. Not because they are easy, but because they are hard.
3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We rise together, back to the moon and beyond.
Because that goal will serve to organize and measure the best of our energies and skills.
We count these moments as our proudest achievements, but we lost all that.
Now you can either accept that, or you can get to work.
Or perhaps we've just forgotten that we are still pioneers.
You do the math, you solve one problem, then you solve the next one.
That we've barely begun.
You just begin.
And that our greatest accomplishments cannot be behind us. Because our destiny lies above us.
I'm going to step off the limb. It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.